Good morning, students. How are you? Today I am here to conduct grammar easy lessons on articles. These articles are very easy. Children, there are three articles, a and the. Now we will learn when to use a, when to use and, when to use the. Children, you know there are 26 alphabets in English language. 5 are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and remaining 21 alphabets are called consonants. You use an before a vowel and a before a consonant. The examples are here: a cat, a dog, a boy, a girl, a house, a tree. All these words begins with consonants. And an apple, an engineer, an ice cream, an old man, an umbrella. All these words begins with a vowel. So we have used an. Now very quickly do this revision. Check your answers. An elephant, because E is a vowel. Elephant begins with E. Car begins with C. C is a consonant. So we have written a. Then teacher, onion, spinach, an interesting story, and university. A European tour. Why we have written a here? Because E is a vowel. Because European begins with E. It sounds as U. That is why it is not a vowel. So we have written a there. Then R. H is silent in this spelling. The pronunciation begins with O. O is a vowel. So we have written M. And MA in English. Now M. M is not a vowel, it is a consonant. But if you pronounce M, it is AM, M. It sounds like, first it sounds like A. That is why an MA in English. Now the second rule, use A or an only with countable nouns. What are countable nouns? The nouns which you can count. Here, elephant, you can count elephant, you can count car, teacher, onion, all these are countable nouns. So you use a or an before countable nouns. These are uncountable nouns. You cannot count water, sugar, coffee, milk, air, love, anger, knowledge, beauty, darkness. These are all uncountable nouns. Now identify this, a cell phone. An easy question. Some sentences, some words in this are wrong. You have to identify which are the wrong ones. See, this is the answer. The third sentence is wrong. An orange shirt. Why it is wrong? Because shirts is plural and you have written an. So it is wrong. A happiness. You will not use a before happiness because happiness is uncountable noun. Then water. Again water is uncountable. So you will not use a before that. Then doctors. Doctors are plural. You will not use a. You will use a doctor. Then an advice. Again an will not come before advice because it is uncountable. Rule number 3. Use a or an to talk about a person or thing unknown to you or the listener. If you are talking of any person or substance or thing for the first time, you use a or an. And after that when you use it, you use the. See example here, my sister has 2 computers, a PC and a laptop. So you are unaware of this PC and laptop. So you have used a. The PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. Now you are well known about this PC and laptop. So you have used the. PC is quite old, but the laptop is brand new. When you use anything, when you talk of anything for the first time, you use a, an. And for the second time, when you become well versed with that, then you use the as the article. See another example. I planted a tree in my garden last year. The tree has grown big. Now last year when I planted the tree, I was unaware of that tree. Now I know that tree. So first I have used a, now I am using the because I am speaking of that particular tree. I planted 4 or some trees in my garden last year. The trees have now grown big. So last year I have planted 4 trees or some trees which were not known to me. Now I am aware with those trees. So I have used the here. Can you open the window? Now you are living in a house. You are living with your family members. You are aware with the window. So you are using the because you are used to with that window. I need to go home. I think I left the stove open on. You are aware of the stove at your home. The man in the grey suit is my boss. You are aware of your boss. Where's the money? I lent you last week. So the money was with you. For 1 week it was with you. So you are using the article the. Now use a or an to talk about non-specific things or people. Write the answers of this. See, for example, do you have a pencil? Now in general I am talking of so many pencils, but you are having so many pencils. But when you are speaking of one particular pencil, then you use the. Do you have a pencil? Do you have the pencil that Ravi gave you? So in the next sentence, I am talking of the pencil which was given to you by Ravi. So in the first sentence, you are using a because you are speaking of pencil in common. When you are speaking of one particular pencil which is given to you by Ravi, so you are using the. I want to buy an apartment. I want to buy the apartment that we visited. So there are so many apartments and you are thinking of buying an apartment. So you have used an here. Then when you are speaking of one particular apartment which you want to buy, you are using the. If you are feeling sick, you should go and see a doctor. So there are so many doctors. You should go to a doctor when you are feeling sick. What did the doctor say? So when you visited the hospital, you are talking of one particular doctor whom you have visited. Rule number 5. Use a or an to mention the category or type of the person or thing. Now the camel. You are speaking of so many camels, all the camels in the world. Like that you are speaking of one particular category. Do this exercise. See the answers here. Check it, your answers. Now rule number 6. Generalize with plurals or uncountable nouns with no articles. Now if the noun is uncountable, no articles are used. For example, teachers should be friendly to students. Write answers, children, and then check it here. Teachers should be friendly to students. Dolphins are very intelligent. Where and what articles you have to use? Again you have to complete this exercise. Now teachers. Teachers means plural. But you are speaking of one particular teacher. So you will write a teacher. A teacher should be friendly to his or her students. Why we have to use students here? Because it's in plural. Dolphins are very intelligent. When you speak of dolphins, you speak of all the dolphins in the world. So you are speaking of the dolphin. Is a very intelligent animal. Means among all the dolphins, you are speaking of one particular dolphin. I don't enjoy watching horror movies. Means the horror movies. All the horror movies you are talking of in particular. Exercise is good for health. The exercise or the health, it is uncountable. So you will not use the before exercise and before health. Education is very important in life. You will begin your sentence with education. You will not use the and the before the uncountable nouns. Now use no articles in these situations. If you are talking of any proper noun, no articles is used before the proper noun. For example, Steve, Lisa, Syed, Priya, you will not use articles before these names. Then if you are speaking of any country, you will not use any articles. For example, if you say, I live in Aurangabad, this is the correct sentence. You will not say, I live in the Aurangabad. That is wrong. Then the United States, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, the West Indies, the Himalayas, the Middle East. For these you use the, because it is a group of places. For this group of places you use the. When you are speaking of one particular city, you will not use any article. Now, while speaking for the names of games or languages, no article is used. Like chess, badminton, golf, cricket, tennis, French, Spanish, Tamil, no articles is used in front of all these games and languages. Then fixed expression. When you are saying something, I at home, I am at home, this is the correct sentence. You will not say I am at the home or I am at a home. At work, go to bed, church, school, college, universities, jail. For these words, you will not use any articles. Then before the name of the days, for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday also no articles are used. I think this topic is clear to you. Solve this exercise.